sasagutin nyo to.
Okay, I have to choose the 5 now.
Now, choose one and give it to me.
Okay.
One first. Okay, alright. Ano ang masasabi mo sa paggamit ng confidential funds ni Vice President Sara Duterte?
Hindi lamang dapat yung kay Vice President Sara Duterte imbestigahan. Lahat ng gumagamit ng confidential funds, kung may iimbestigahan lahat.
Pero
hindi pwedeng isa
ang
lang.
tanong is about Sara Duterte. Yung paggastos niya ng confidential funds, sinabi niya hindi siya magpapaliwanag sa Kongreso. Tama ba yun?
Tama, sapagkat binibigyan siya ng COA until January or February of this year to comply with documentation. Yung notice of disallowance, Karen, ito yung malaking kasinungalingan. Ang notice of disallowance ay hindi kasong kriminal. Hindi yun finding of guilt. Yun ay para remedyohan mo yung mga kulang na dokumentong pinapasumiti sa'yo. At binibigyan pa siya ng January or February of this year. Therefore, the investigation conducted by the House of Representatives, if at all, premature. Huwag mong pangunahan ng COA. Constitutional duty ng COA yan. Article 9, Paragraph D, Section 3.
So, attorney, naniniwala kang walang maling paggamit si Vice President Sara Duterte sa confidential funds?
Hindi pa dapat husgahan dahil mayroon pa siyang period to comply. So, lahat ito premature. Let COA do its job. Huwag pakialaman ng Kongreso yung trabaho ng COA because it is not the core function of Congress to do the function of COA.
Okay, next.